Are you over 40 and thinking it's too late to start an online business? Think again. AI is here to help make your journey much smoother, faster and more profitable than ever before. In today's video, I'll share some powerful ways AI can help you kickstart and scale an online business, even if you're starting from scratch. Stay tuned because these tips are game changers. And just very quickly, if you're new to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. I can only help you if you are subscribed, and please hit the like button because that motivates me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. Let's get into this tutorial. Let's get started with tip number 1, which is market research with AI. AI tools like SEMrush or Ahrefs can simplify market research, identifying trends and niches that are most profitable. Instead of spending weeks sifting through data, AI can analyze market demands in minutes, highlighting areas with low competition and high potential. For example, you can use AI to discover that eco-friendly products are trending and there's a gap in the market for sustainable home goods. AI doesn't just find trends, it also predicts them. By analyzing past data and current market movements, AI can forecast what's going to be hot in the coming months or even years. This predictive capability allows you to position your business strategically, getting ahead of the curve and your competitors. Additionally, AI-powered tools can provide insights into customer behavior, such as what products people are searching for or the keywords that they are searching for online. This means you can tailor your product offerings and marketing strategies directly to what your potential customers want, increasing your chances of success from the start. Let's now move on to tip number 2, which is a personalised customer experience. Creating a personalised customer experience is key to building a loyal customer base. AI can help by analysing customer data to offer personalised product recommendations, targeted emails, and even personalised website experiences. Imagine being able to greet every visitor with product suggestions tailored specifically to their browsing habits or their past purchases. AI tools like HubSpot can automate this personalisation at scale. For example, if a customer frequently buys fitness equipment, AI can suggest related products like workout apparel or dietary supplements. This not only enhances the shopping experience, but also increases your average order value and customer lifetime value. Moreover, AI-driven chatbots can offer real-time customer support, answering questions, resolving issues, and even making product recommendations 24/7. This ensures that your customers feel highly valued and heard, leading to higher satisfaction rates and repeat business. Let me now give you tip number 3, which is automating mundane tasks. AI can take over repetitive tasks, freeing up your time to focus on what truly matters, which is growing your online business. Tools like Zapier can automate everything from email marketing campaigns to inventory management. For instance, you can set up a system where an AI automatically sends an thank you email after every purchase or updates your stock levels whenever a sale is made. These automations not only save time but also reduce human error, ensuring tasks are completed consistently and accurately. For example, using AI to manage your bookkeeping can help you to avoid costly mistakes and keep your financial records up to date without the hassle of manual data entry. Additionally, AI can streamline your content creation process. For example, AI-powered writing assistants like Jasper can generate blog posts, social media content, and even video scripts, making content creation much faster and far more efficient for you. This means that you can maintain a consistent online presence without being overwhelmed by the workload. Let's now move on to tip number 4, which is AI-powered content creation. Content is king in the online business world, and AI can help you create it far more efficiently. Tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Jasper can generate high-quality content for blogs, social media, and even email marketing. For example, you can input a few keywords and the AI will generate a draft blog post or social media updates that's ready to go with just a bit of editing. AI doesn't just create it, it also optimizes it. By analysing data on what type of content performs best within your niche, AI can suggest topics, headlines, and even the best times to publish your content. For instance, if your audience is most active in the evenings, AI can schedule your posts for maximum engagement. Moreover, AI can assist in video production by generating scripts or creating video content from simple text. This is especially useful if you're camera shy or don't have the resources to film content on a regular basis. AI generated videos can still be engaging and professional, helping you maintain a strong online presence. Let me now give you tip number 5, which is enhanced customer support. AI-driven customer support tools like chatbots can provide immediate assistance to your customers, addressing their concerns without the need for a full-time customer service team. These chatbots can handle common queries, process orders, and even troubleshoot issues. For example, a chatbot on your website can guide customers through the checkout process or help them find very specific products. AI can also help you analyze customer interactions to identify common pain points or areas where your business could actually improve. For instance, if customers frequently ask about shipping times, you might consider adding that information more prominently on your website or offering faster shipping options. Furthermore, AI can be used to monitor customer sentiment through reviews and social media comments. By understanding how customers feel about your products or your services, you can make data-driven decisions to enhance your offerings and keep your customers more happy. Let's now move on to tip number 6, which is optimized advertising campaigns. Running effective ad campaigns can be very challenging, but AI makes it very easy by optimizing your efforts. Tools like Google Ads and Facebook Ads now incorporate AI to automatically adjust bids, targeting, and even the creatives based on real-time performance data. For instance, AI can identify which ads are performing best and allocate more budget to them while cutting back on underperforming ads. AI can also help you target the right audience with precision. By analysing user data, AI can identify the demographics, the interests, and the behaviours of your ideal customers. For example, if you're selling skincare products, AI can target ads towards users who have shown interest in beauty and wellness products, ensuring that your ads reach more people who are more likely to convert. Additionally, AI-driven tools can provide insights into your ad campaigns, showing you which keywords, times of the day, and platforms are the most effective. This data allows you to refine your strategies over time, increasing your ROI and ensuring your marketing budget is well spent. Let me now give you tip number 7, which is managing finances with AI. Keeping track of finances is crucial for any online business, and AI can simplify this process rather significantly. Tools like QuickBooks use AI to categorize expenses, track income, and even predict future cash flow based on historical data. For example, AI can alert you when your spending is higher than usual, or predict when you might run into cash flow issues, allowing you to make proactive adjustments. AI can also assist with pricing strategies by analysing competitor prices, market demand, and customer behaviour. For instance, if the AI detects that a competitor has lowered their prices, it can recommend a temporary discount to keep your products competitive. This dynamic pricing approach can help you maximise profits without alienating any customers. Moreover, AI-powered tax tools can ensure you're always compliant with the latest regulations. They can automatically categorise transactions, calculate tax liabilities, and even prepare your tax filings, reducing the risk of errors and potential fines. Let me now give you tip number 8, which is scaling your business with AI. Once your business is up and running, AI can help you scale more efficiently. AI tools can analyse which products are performing well and suggest expanding on those lines. For example, if a particular product is selling well, AI might suggest creating bundles or offering complementary products to increase sales. AI can also identify new markets and customer segments that you haven't tapped into yet. By analysing data from your current customer base and the broader market, AI can recommend geographic regions, demographics, or even niches where your products might have a high demand. This allows you to expand strategically without spreading yourself too thin. AI can also optimize your supply chain, ensuring you can meet increasing demand without overextending any resources. For example, AI can predict when you'll need to reorder stock based on sales, trends, and helping you avoid stockouts or overstocking. This ensures that your business can grow smoothly without the growing pains that often come with scaling. Let's now move on to tip number 9, which is AI-driven SEO optimization. SEO is crucial for driving organic traffic to your website, and AI can significantly enhance your SEO efforts. Tools like Surfer SEO or ClearScope can analyze top-performing content in your niche and suggest the best keywords, headings, and content structures to outrank your competitors. For example, AI can identify that long-tail keywords like best skincare routine for women over 40 have lower competition and higher conversions potential. AI can also help you to optimize your content after it's been published. By monitoring performance data, AI tools can suggest updates to keep your content relevant and ranking high in the search engines. For instance, if a particular blog post starts slipping in the rankings, AI might recommend adding more recent data, updating keywords, or tweaking meta descriptions. Moreover, AI can analyze your website's technical SEO aspects, such as load times, mobile usability, and internal linking structures, ensuring that your website is fully optimized for search engines like Google. This comprehension approach can significantly boost your search engine rankings, helping you to drive more traffic and potential customers to your business. Now, the next thing to do, click the link in the description box below this video and go through to my website www.digitalprofitsnetwork.com to explore our comprehensive online training courses and resources. They're perfect for beginners and people of all ability levels and will guide you every stage of the way to starting your own successful online business, and will also help you to generate an income online. So take action and click the link below now to learn more. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I can only help you if you are subscribed, and please give the video a thumbs up because that really does energize me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. And don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. I have put my LinkedIn link in the description below the video. It's always a pleasure to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.